Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly customize Siri's voice on your iPhone running iOS 27 or later. iOS 27 introduces new ways to personalize how Siri sounds and communicates on your iPhone. Apple's more powerful on-device Apple Intelligence model, available on selected iPhone models, can now understand and generate speech while also working with text and images. This helps Siri deliver a more natural and responsive conversational experience. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. And then you have to scroll down a bit and select Siri. After that, you have to choose voice. Then you have to choose the desired Siri voice. Now you can use the sliders to perfectly adjust both the pace and expressivity of Siri. Yeah, you got that right. You can now fine-tune Siri's expressiveness to make responses sound more animated or restrained depending on your needs. You can also adjust Siri's speaking pace, allowing you to make responses slower and easier to follow or faster if you prefer a quicker interaction. After selecting your preferred settings, ask Siri a question to hear the changes. Fret not, you can always return to the same settings whenever you want to fine-tune the voice again. These customization options are particularly useful if you interact with Siri frequently. Rather than having everyone hear Siri in exactly the same way, iOS 27 gives compatible iPhone models more flexibility over Siri's delivery, making the assistant feel more personal and natural during everyday conversations. And that's about it. So that's how you can get the most out of Siri by using these all new features. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it in order to enhance your Siri game. And I'll catch you up in the next one.